Hi, good morning, friends. It's the morning time around 6 a.m. So usually, when I woke up at that moment, I wanted to make some videos, and yeah, but at that time, what happened? Electricity was not here, and electricity had gone. So that's why I couldn't make video. So okay, it's okay. I think now electricity is now is available. So I thought that really it means just I try to make some video. Okay, and if you are new here and if you come very first time in this video, I will tell you, I will recommend you just try to subscribe as well, just try to share as well. You try to like it my videos, and your one subscribers, and if you subscribe, so definitely I will be motivation, I will be motivated, and I'm trying to do consistency upload some videos on my YouTube channel, and I'm sure that if you watch my videos, you could learn something, and you will learn something. Okay, so what these days I have observed that I watch some videos on YouTube, and many learners they are trying to learn this language, but everybody has good knowledge. But you know what is happening with us? We start to visualize about that person with whom we are going to interact and with whom we have sessions. So first of all, no need to presume about that person that he has having a good degrees, having a good knowledge. Am I speaking well or not? How could be that situation when I meet with that person. So no need to think like that. Just whatever you have knowledge and having good knowledge or having good degree, just try to talk to anyone, and no need to visualize, presume that that person speaks very fluently as well, very fast. So no need to worry. And even though one more thing I would say to you that no need to think why you are thinking, man, just why you are thinking that I can speak well, or while speaking time I will be stammer, or I will be fumble, I will be got stuck somewhere. So no need to worry, because now we are learning, we are not perfect. I think you are getting what I am telling. You might be getting my sentences, what I am telling, and no need to worry. So okay, and what I wanted to say, I think I told you, and sure, I'll tell you much more things. But now I have to visit my workplace, and you must aware that I work in dairy farm. So okay, now I think I have to visit my workplace. Hello my dear friends, once again good morning, and once again you're most welcome in this channel Shibu. And if you are new here, so I would tell you that I would recommend you just try to subscribe it this channel, and whenever I'll upload any kinds of videos related to English, then you can watch it and you can learn much more things from this video. So okay, in this video just right now just I was doing something, and as I told you morning time that I have to visit my workplace, and almost I have to work 2 hours or 3 hours. So even I have completed almost, but it will take 1 hours, more than 1 hours I'll take now. But where I am working, there is water is not there, so without water I can't work over there. So that's why water was there on that tank. Water was there, so all I have used it, almost I have used it. Only few waters will be there, some water will be there. So yeah, and now some workers, when they come, after that they will fill it on that tank water. So again at that time I will start my work. Okay, so that's why I thought that really it means now just let's do practice as well. I will try to give you some tips how you will be able to speak and which kinds of method you should follow, you will have to learn, you will have to follow, then you will be able to speak English. So first I want to tell you, dear, that no need to worry too much about that. Oh my god, I have completed almost 7 months, 2 months I have been learning for 7 months, 8 months, but till now I'm unable to speak. So no need to think about that, because there are many different kinds of person. Everybody has different mindset. Some people, some persons will be there, their mind works very fast. But if I talk about my example, so I took more than 7 or 8 months to learning this language. I have been learning for 8 or 7 months. So till now I am not capable, and I didn't complete much more things there, grammar related to a lot of things. But I will not tell you in initial stage time. Just try to read any kinds of grammar rules, and its grammar is too much necessary. It is not our language, you must aware that. Because just if you want to speak good English, and if we want to learn good English, so it means we have to learn, we need to learn grammar rules. That's how we can speak very fluently. Otherwise we can't speak proper way. Yeah, we can speak, but suppose that whenever we meet with any stranger person, if we do communicate, if we talk to that person, so at that time we can speak, we will be able to speak. But what will happen at that moment, that person will understand, that person will get it, everything what we want to speak in front of that person. But because he has a lot of knowledge, he might have a lot of knowledge, he may have a lot of knowledge. That's why he can understand everything, he or she can understand everything. But if that person speaks very well, if that person will speak very well, so because we are not comfortable, so in that moment, so we can't understand. So that's why grammar is too much necessary. If you wanna learn, if you wanna speak very fluently as well, very clearly, then grammar is too much necessary for learning this language, for speaking this language. But initial stage time, I want to recommend you that don't try to jump very first time in deeply grammar as well. Just don't try to learn too much grammar rules. And whatever you have knowledge, and you might have good knowledge, you must have a lot of knowledge about this language. And I'll try to recommend you, I will try to suggest you that just try to work and just try to speak yourself. And that's how you can enhance your English as well. You will be able to speak once a day. I'm certain that you will be able to speak once a day. So yeah, now you can see behind me a lot of trees are there. You can see here guava. No, this one is coconuts tree as well. No, this one is not coconut tree. I don't know, with better leaves, some looks like I forgot it actually, what is name of this tree. But okay, next video whenever I'll make it, I'll try to cover it this tree, and I'll try to tell you what is name of this tree. And banana trees are there, looks like very green, because everyday workers give water in this field. So that's why these are banana trees getting water, good materials. That's why those are banana trees looking like very green. So yeah, and that's why. And just try to, we are learning, so just try to put some grammar as well, just try to make some sentences, and you will be able to speak fluently, and you will be definitely you can speak very fluently. Yeah, and now just that's how we can enhance. And don't think that oh my god, I have completed a lot of times I spent it, but till now also I couldn't speak. But no need to worry. But yeah, but I'm sure that, man, if you had environment, if you had knowledge, if you had good knowledge, so you would be speaking very fluently, you would have been spoken English very fluently.
But no need to worry. In initial stage time, just we feel sometimes that I have completed a lot of times, but still I am not capable. So no need to worry. I'm just try to do consistency.